welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KerenHappuch and I'm here with another video for you. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, my G, what's popping, what's good? So yeah, so if you watched my previous video, I basically took my mom and siblings out on a surprise outing. So they basically didn't know where I was taking them to, but yeah, I took them out and it was fun. We had fun. We ended up being surprised by my mom actually, because she's, after the whole bowling and everything, she basically surprised us. She was like, oh, let's go pick up something. She wants to go pick up something, and next thing we're in a restaurant, Nigerian restaurant. We had suya, shawarma. It was amazing. It was a good family bonding experience. Anyways, back to today's video. So today I'm going to be recreating the look I took out yesterday, but I'm going to add a little bit of, you know, flair to it, because I kind of rushed the look yesterday because we're on our way out and stuff. So yeah, if you really want to see what that blue themed look looks like, then keep watching. So to start this look, I'm just gonna do my brows off camera, prep my eyes for the shadow, and then I'll be right back for you. I'm back and I'm done prepping my eyes for my shadow. So first I'm gonna put in one of the colors from my Beauty Treats Rose Gold Nudes Eye Collection palette. I'm gonna go in with a brown, but I'm trying to figure out which brown to go in with first. I think I'll go in with this right here. Yeah. I'm gonna use this one now, just for my inner corners. I think that's what it's called. Now I'm going to go back with the other brush and just blend this in, so there are no sharp lines. Okay, so after this, I'm going to attempt to cut my crease. I'm really bad at this, but practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. Okay, I think I tried. Please don't judge me because I'm not really like great at this. So yeah, so after this I'm gonna go in with a color from my palette. I hope you guys remember this palette. So this is the Wanderlust palette from the Glam bag plus that I reviewed earlier. So for today's look, I'm going to be going into the blue right here. This is like one tap into the palette. Like, are you mad? And the pigment in this, like, you guys don't even understand. Let me try to zoom in a bit so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like, the pigment in this palette is not even normal. Like, so next I'm gonna go in with this pencil. It's called the Davis Eye. I can't remember where I got this from, but I'm gonna be using this light color right here. After I'm done doing this eye off camera, I'm gonna come back, then apply my foundation for you. So I'm back and this is what it looks like. To finish off this eye look, I'm gonna add one other color from my Wanderess Wonder Beauty Seascape palette. I'm gonna add the Champagne Apabor. Yeah, I'm gonna add that in my tear duct area. Guys, when I tell you this palette is a must buy, I mean it's a must buy, because like the colors are so amazing. And to think that I got this palette for less than $25, because the whole box is $25. If you watched my ipsy video, you know how I got this palette and how much it costs, really, because this is crazy. This is the look right now. It's a look, it's an actual look, like. This one, just gonna use this to powder every part of my face, just so it's even and there are no sharp lines. Okay, so what highlighter am I using today? I'm probably gonna go with the same with this highlighter. I really love it. It's just makes my face pop. So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna put on my lashes, put on my liner, and then come back to show you guys the finished look. And this lash that I put on is from Red Cherry Eyelashes, 100% human hair apparently. I don't know about that, but okay. So next I'm going to do my lips. After applying this, I'm going to apply the Raw Seduction right in the middle of my lips. I don't regret this color. So far it's looking okay. It's not looking bad. I think I'm gonna leave this look matte because yeah, why not? So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys love it, because I do. Yeah, it's I feel like it's something different. It's something that I normally wouldn't wear, or maybe I would, but yeah, I'm not a lashes person, so me wearing lashes today says a lot about me. So yeah, I hope you guys love this look, because I really did enjoy making it for you, and I hope that you know you enjoy it too. If you want to recreate this look, you're free to. Just make sure you tag me while you're recreating it, that's so I can see and also, you know, cheer you on. Anyways, yeah, this is the last time I'm gonna say anyways, because I've been saying anyways like all through. But anyways, but yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Please do like, please do subscribe, please do tell a friend about my videos, about my channel. Bye, deuces, adios, hasta la vista, baby.